What's up YouTube? Welcome back into my channel. It's Joe here, and in today's video I will show you how you can get this amazing app in the Pro version, everything unlocked. So please follow me and follow the steps. So first we have to go at this website that I will show you guys. In this website you can find a lot of games and apps, but now we are going to get this amazing app in the Pro version. Let's go guys! This is the website, it is easy to remember. You can find the app below or at the search bar. I always recommend the search bar, you should try the full name of the app. Sorry guys. Okay guys, perfect. Here it is. You should read it in the correct way guys, like this. So let's click here and wait for another step. But if you are using Android, all you have to do is to click here and wait for installation, because Android the process will be automatically. If you are using iOS or iPhone, please follow me because I have to show another step that you have to follow. But first let's get this amazing app guys. If you have any question or problem during the process, don't hesitate to comment below. Also, you can write me at the chat box. I will reach you and give you my right answer and solution, so everyone can get this amazing app in the Pro version and everything unlocked. So guys, please be a bit patient and follow the steps. Okay? After that we should go at the settings and you will see will be pop up this profile downloaded. Click here, click install, iOS version, next, install, and done. Let's see guys. Okay, perfect, here it is. As you saw, everything is working in a properly way. So now let's click and start this amazing app to see that everything is as I told you guys. Let's see now. Let's see if everything is working fine guys. Okay, perfect, it's starting now. Let's go here at the trending one, click here guys, perfect. As you see, everything is fine. Let's click here guys to see another option, click here. Perfect guys, everything looks fine. Let's click it here at the doll. Okay guys, everything looks just fine. Click here again, perfect. As you see, everything is unlocked in this Pro version and the modded version. So please don't forget to subscribe and give a like. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.